Let's learn how to design a deterministic finite automata to accept a string of A's and B's beginning with AB. So I'll design a DFA which will accept this string AB. So I'll start from Q0. Let Q0 be my start state. To indicate it's a start state, I should be having an incoming arrow like this. On Q0, if my input symbol happens to be A, let it make a transition to Q1 like this and I will label it as A. On Q1, if my input symbol happens to be B, let it make a transition to Q2 and I would label it as Q2. Q2 should be the final state. How to indicate Q2 as final state? To indicate a final state, we should be writing two circles like this. But this is not the final DFA. This is because each state is not expressed with all the inputs. We have got two inputs, one is A and B, and we have got three states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. So we should be expressing all the states with all the inputs. So Q0 state I need to express with input B. Can I write a self loop here? If I do write a self loop here, let me consider this string BAB. According to the given problem, my string should be beginning with AB. So this string should not be accepted. So I can't write a self loop on B. On Q0, if I get the input as B, let it go to one state called as trap state, like this. And I will name it the transition as B. We have expressed Q1 state with respect to input B. So we should be expressing Q1 state with respect to input A. Can we write a self loop there? Assume what happens if I write a self loop? If I write a self loop on Q1 and if I name it as A, consider this string AAB. But this string is invalid because my string should be beginning with AB. So if I write a self loop there, then AAB would be accepted. So I should not be writing a self loop on Q1. Rather, I should make a transition from Q1 to this trap state. And I should label this transition as A. So, whenever we write a trap state, that state should be expressed with all the inputs. So I should be writing a self loop on trap state and I should label it as A, B. Now, I should be expressing Q2 state with both the inputs. Can I write a self loop there? I'll try writing a self loop on Q2 like this and I label it as A, B. Let me consider this string ABA. This string is beginning with AB. So it is correct. Q0 upon A, I'll come to Q1 state. Q1 upon B, I'll come to Q2. Q2 upon A, I'll be in Q2 itself. So this string will be accepted. I'll consider one more string ABB. This string is also beginning with AB. Q0 upon A, I'll come to Q1 state. Q1 upon B, I'll come to Q2. And Q2 upon B, I'll be in Q2 state itself. So which will be accepted. This is the final DFA to accept a string of A's and B's beginning with AB.